It's Miss Michelle. How would you like to make some monster slime? Edible monster slime. We need cornstarch. 1 cup. Pour.
To my surprise, he did the monster mash.
Pour.
Graveyard smash.
1 cup of cornstarch. Oh, that's messy. Then we need green Jello. Are you ready? Green. Ooh, that's Jello. 1 more. It smells so good. Ah! Then we're going to pour a little bit of water and we're going to stir. Oh, look at the green. Whoa. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, here comes the really fun part. Marshmallows. I wish I had some friends to play with me. I wonder if I had some kids around. Wait, my kids are home. My kids are here. Kids. Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama's friends.
Play with some slime. Have fun.
Oh, it's so slimy.
Wow.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's so slimy. Mmm.
Yummy, yummy.
What? You can't eat all the marshmallows.
Yum.
Yummy.
Bye, friends. Bye, friends.